look, you can keep it on the I2C at your own risk. She's like, I don't want you to do this. Okay? Strongly suggest we just work with what we got. Alright. I'm gonna trust you, Viral Eye. I believe you, because I don't want to do it either. And when you don't want to do something, it makes me not want to do it even more. Like, alright, look, the AI don't want to fucking do it. I don't want to fucking do it. Even she's pushing the brakes. She's pumping the brakes. I mean, I'll defy her sometimes, man. I'm like, nah, we got it. Let's push it. Fuck that. And sometimes I'll be right. Alright. I'm glad I said no to you. I'm glad I knew better. She's like, oh yeah, of course. I knew that all along. Just testing you. Having access to AI is so bizarre. So fucking weird, man. Like as a human being at this point in humanity. Excuse me? It's nuts, man. Might buy another TF Luna. I think I might have fried part of the emitter. Maybe, I don't know. It's not. It's emitting in a weird shape. I think it should be a square, but it's not. It looks like part of the square is missing. I don't like that part. That standalone. That's risky to print. Let me go back into the sketch and cut it out completely. We don't need it there. That's just a liability actually in the print. Where was that? Was that here? Well, no, but this is what I was looking for initially. So, damn. This is the key sketch right here. Let's go back to the side with that. Where is our... No. Supports. There it is. Okay, let's push this up to that side. Let's get in here. Let's fix this cut. Or no, it was this cut. Let's edit the sketch here. Normal to it. Over here, and we'll just connect these right here. So we'll trim all of this. And you know what? Fuck it, we'll trim those too. Just so it's one straight line on each one. Yep. Check. Do it again. Right here. Right here. Check. Check. Okay. Let's exit that. Very good. Actually, let's pull up supports. It's going to give us a warning. Let's hit yes. Should rebuild it. Okay. How are we looking? There it is. Look, it's all cut out. We like that. That looks good. Very good. Is that cut extrude? How far off the floor are we going with this? 7 millimeters? Offset from surface? Let's do a holier number than 7. Let's do 6.93. No, 6.39. And that should bring us a little lower, because if you notice when I hit the bottom hole for the Arduino was overlapping just a little bit. So there we go, this one right here. Now we have a little bit of room. Right there. This was too high, it was up to that part right there. We needed to drop it down just a scounchy. Now we have room for everything to fit in this bracket.